are in your mid-30s or late 30s or entering into your 40s and you've recently started to notice fine lines, texture under your eyes, around your mouth, your laugh lines are more deeper than usual, and all of this makes you wonder, what am I doing wrong? Do I need another skincare product in my skincare regimen? Am I doing enough for my skin? Am I feeding it with the right ingredients that it needs at this age? You might need to follow this channel. And more so, watch this video because here I'm testing the IOPE Retinol Super Bounce Serum for the 7 days straight. Yes, now we have retinol in the market that you can use every single day. Especially if you're a beginner or you have sensitive skin just like me, please watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as I said, I will be showing you my 7-day results from trying this serum for the 7 consecutive days. And before we dive into the 7-day test, let me tell you something. I am not a dermatologist. Whatever I'm sharing here on my channel is based on my own personal experience of trying a certain product. Of course, when I try a certain product, I go into the ingredient list, I deep dive into it, especially the active ingredients. What do they do? How effective they are? How long do they take to work? Additionally, I also try to include credible sources about particular ingredients, like if there are any clinical studies that support the efficacy and how much time it took for a particular ingredient to actually show its results, only to help you out make the right decision when it comes to buying a skincare product, as there are so many products out there that it actually is so overwhelming for a lot of us. So when I decided to do the 7-day test with this particular retinol serum, I thought I will not show you, or I will show you the day 1 versus day 7, but I would not pay much heed to it. But I found later that this particular serum is actually famed for its 7-day effect in Korea, and that actually made me wonder, why not? Why not? Why should I not put day 1 versus day 7? Because it can actually give you a real picture of how much it has changed my skin, how much it has helped me managing the aging signs on my skin. Also, another fact, K-beauty is, of course, it's known globally, and so many people from different ethnicity, different, they have different skin types. We try Korean skincare products. So I wonder, the 7-day fame, is it only applicable to a Korean skin, or can it do some wonders, or can it do the same thing to another kind of skin, Indian skin? It has a pale yellow silky serum texture. It spreads and absorbs easily. It feels exactly like a moisturizer. I don't feel any sort of irritation, nothing. It's super gentle, no irritation or tingling like other retinols I have tried before. Initially, I layered it with another moisturizer just out of habit because I always use retinol in sandwich method. But quickly I realized it wasn't really needed. Now, before we go into day 2 until day 7, I just want to talk about ingredients. There are, when you look at the ingredients of this particular product, they say 4 times 1%, which actually means it has 4 kinds of retinols. Retinol, like pure retinol, encapsulated retinol, crenactive retinoid, and bioselitinoid. Pure retinol, we all know, it's a form of, it's a derivative of vitamin A, which converts into retinoic acid when it penetrates into deeper layers of skin, and that's when it starts to work against aging signs, like it boosts collagen and elastin production. On the other hand, encapsulated retinol works on a slow time release formula which has the same level of effectiveness but causing very minimal irritation. The other 2 retinoids, crenactive retinoid and bioselitinoid, these forms of retinoid are lab made. When they say 4 times 1%, it means all of these 4 kinds of retinol together, they make 1% of the total formulation. So it's more stable, steady delivery, and less irritation. Some other supporting ingredients in this formulation are hyaluronic acid and peptides, where hyaluronic acid, as we all know, supports hydration, and peptides help with skin healing and repair. Another claim this product makes is that it is microbiome safe, which basically means all the good bacteria that are living on your skin that actually supports a healthy skin barrier. This particular formulation, actually, the application does not interfere with the existing microbiome on your skin, and hence it does not cause any sort of irritation, any sort of negative impacts on the skin. Now, if you're genuinely curious about skin's microbiome and you just want to explore a little bit on that direction, I did a video some time ago, it's linked up here in the cards, where I talk about how your skin microbiome changes from one location to the other, because these days a lot of us are moving countries, continents, and how we see changes in our skin, but we don't really know what's happening. So this could be one thing that can give you some insight on it. If you're interested, it's linked up here in the cards. Speaking about all these ingredients, so we talk about, the supporting ingredients, which are hyaluronic acid, peptides, and lactoexosome, which is the microbiome safe ingredient. The four different types of retinoids that it has: retinol, encapsulated retinol, and the other two retinoids. Now, these were new to me. So I was like, what are these for? What do they do? And here is what I found. So granactive retinoid, unlike regular retinol, it binds directly to retinoid receptors in the skin without needing to convert into retinoic acid first, which means it works faster and is more effective in boosting collagen production, which helps with anti-aging. The study here showed that it increased collagen even better than tretinoin, but without causing the usual skin irritation or inflammation that tretinoin can cause. Bioseletonoid, on the other hand, seems to be equally promising when it comes to, anti-aging as a retinol, because it mimics the same kind of retinoic acid activity in the skin while being gentle on the skin. According to the research, it helps regulate the skin cell turnover, supports collagen production, and improves the skin texture without causing significant irritation. This makes it ideal for sensitive or aging skin, offering effective anti-aging benefits with better tolerance. Its ability to selectively target retinoid receptors means it can deliver results similar to stronger retinoids, but with a lower risk of side effects. Now, both these granactive retinoid and bioseletonoid in retinoids, they are considered to be direct acting, which means that they do not need to necessarily undergo any kind of metabolic conversion in order for them to be effective, where retinol has to convert into retinoic acid for it to be effective. From day 2 onwards, I stopped layering extra moisturizer. Serum alone left feeling enough as last step at night. Again, no irritation or redness even with daily use. Feels more like a nourishing moisturizer than a treatment product, but it still delivers retinoid benefits. Now, did it really make any difference in my skin in terms of its appearance, pore size, elasticity, fine lines? In just 7 days, I didn't notice a visible change in fine lines or wrinkle depth, but my skin looks noticeably plumper, more elastic, and firmer. Like it's regained some of its youthful bounce. These are unfiltered close-up shots showing exactly what I see. Now that you have seen the day 1 versus day 7, let me know in the comments, do you see any difference? Or you feel it is just another marketing gimmick? I would love to know your thoughts. And that was all for today's video. Let me know in the comments, please, And I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.